Social media has become a hub for contests and giveaways, offering an exciting opportunity for individuals and businesses alike to win big. However, with the increasing number of participants, standing out from the crowd can be challenging. In this article, we will provide you with 5 expert tips that will help you dominate contests and giveaways on social media platforms. Identify the right opportunities. To maximize your chances of winning, it is crucial to identify the right opportunities. Follow brands or influencers who frequently hold contests or giveaways in your niche. Engage with their content regularly and keep an eye out for any announcements they make regarding upcoming events. Why? By actively participating in relevant contests, you increase your chances of winning attractive prizes while also expanding your network within your area of interest. How? Set up notifications for these accounts so that you are instantly alerted whenever a new contest or giveaway is announced. Craft attention-grabbing entries. When participating in a contest or giveaway on social media, remember that first impressions matter greatly. To stand out from other participants, create attention-grabbing entries that catch the organizer's eye. What? Use captivating visuals such as high-quality images or videos along with engaging captions that showcase your creativity and enthusiasm for the prize at hand. How? Focus on creating unique content related to the theme of the contest while ensuring it aligns with both brand guidelines, if applicable, and platform requirements. Leverage your network. One effective way to boost your chances of winning is by leveraging your existing network on social media platforms. What? Encourage friends, family members, colleagues, and followers to engage with your entries by liking them or leaving comments. This not only increases visibility but also enhances credibility in front of organizers who often consider engagement levels when selecting winners. Why? The more engagement you receive, the higher the chances of your entry catching the attention of organizers and increasing your likelihood of winning. How? Share your entries across different platforms, use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience, and personally message individuals who might be interested in supporting you. Stay active and engaged. Consistency is key when it comes to dominating contests and giveaways on social media. Being active and engaged throughout the duration of an event can significantly improve your chances. What? Regularly check for updates from contest organizers, interact with their posts by liking or commenting on them, and engage with other participants' entries as well. Why? By actively participating in discussions surrounding a contest or giveaway, you increase visibility not only among fellow participants but also among organizers who may appreciate your enthusiasm. How? Set aside specific times each day to browse through contest-related content, respond promptly to any queries or requests from organizers, and stay updated on new developments by following relevant hashtags or accounts associated with the event. Follow contest rules and guidelines. To avoid disqualification or missing out on potential opportunities, it is essential to carefully read and follow all rules and guidelines set by contest organizers. What? Pay close attention to entry requirements such as submission deadlines, format specifications, e.g., file size limits, eligibility criteria, age restrictions, tagging requirements, if applicable, etc. Why? Following rules demonstrates professionalism while ensuring that you meet all necessary criteria for consideration as a winner. It also saves time that would otherwise be wasted on ineligible entries. Conclusion. Participating in contests and giveaways on social media offers an exciting chance to win valuable prizes while expanding one's network within a particular niche. By identifying the right opportunities, crafting attention-grabbing entries, leveraging existing networks for engagement support, staying active throughout events' duration while adhering closely to rules set by organizers, success can be achieved. So go ahead. Implement these expert tips today and dominate contests and giveaways on social media like a pro.